got that one again. I am here in Hamilton on George Street. Came out here because I saw on Instagram they're having fish and chips for $5. So the King George pub here in Hamilton, and I'm loving this street. Let's go in and check it out. The view of the pub and the menu. I'm very impressed with this. They have daily specials throughout the week, so more reasons for me to come back and visit. I will probably have the strawberry champagne cheesecake after. Since the fish and chips is only costing me $5, and you know I like to support businesses, so on a live stream with Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C, and this is going to be for the food review here for my food channel, of course. So I got a glass of bubbly. This is their bar menu. Opa! She popped it. She popped the bottle. And lots of good specials, so I'm really liking this restaurant, this pub. Alright, so what else? Start off with a nice cheer. I'm recording now on the food channel. Cheers, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Happy Fish and Chips Appreciation Day here at the King George Pub in Hamilton. Cheers. Wow, this is nice. It's fruity. I wonder if she put, I need to see the label. Even though I heard it pop, it's not bubbly enough. Oh, now I stir it, and now I see the bubbles. Maybe I'll put the orange in this. Why not? Put it on the side plate. Yeah. Well, this will be my regular spot when I come back here in Hamilton. But yeah, the last 2 times I had because I don't do my research before coming. I didn't really have too much luck the last 2 times with food. Didn't have enough time either, so this is good. Cheers, YouTube and Twitch viewers. On Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. Cheers. And then cheers to What's Cooking with Lizzo C viewers. Thanks for coming. on and joining me. Box appreciation, customer appreciation day, Tuesdays. Got a side of gravy. Got the coleslaw here, tartar sauce. I asked for extra crispy fries, so it looks amazing. Let's dig in. I'm starving. Squeeze the lemon. Let's try the fries. Let's do a gravy test because I know my gravy. Gravy is salty. Very salty. Okay, I don't. For my fish, I do use my hands. Because I find every time I cut fish and chips or the fish itself, it gets flaky, it breaks off, it's hard to pick up with a fork. So, much better. So, look at that. Take your bite. Fish. It's amazing. The batter is thinly battered. It's cooked nicely. Flaky fish. I think it's had it. I love the tartar sauce. It's a good size of fish and chips. There we go. Now the gravy, it's on the salty side. You definitely don't have to add any salt to this. Fries are good. Fries are good. Well, from Toronto to Hamilton, nice bus ride. Nice to get out of the city, explore a smaller city, and get a good feel for it. Very good. I will definitely be back here at the King George Pub on George Street in Hamilton. So take your bite. It's so yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Let's try the coleslaw. It's good. It's like, I say, it reminds of KFC. Better than KFC, but it's close enough. Good coleslaw. Very good. So, if you live in Hamilton or you're coming to visit Hamilton, the King George Pub on George Street, it's worth it. Come on down and support the local business here in Hamilton. So good. Take your bite. I'm back on because I got dessert. I got their strawberry cheesecake. The server did recommend the sticky toffee something pudding dessert. I'll get that next time I come, but because my head is set on this cheesecake. Yum. Okay, I gotta take a picture. All right, we're gonna try get some whipped cream. Very good. Okay. Look at that. Cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake. It's strawberry champagne cheesecake. Strawberry champagne cheesecake. Very good. French but good. Once again, King George Hamilton, Ontario, on George Street. Check them out. Take your bite. Yum. The washroom, the loo. I remember being taught the word, or the loo, when I was apprenticing at a salon, and a lot of British English owners talk about the loo. Just show you a little bit of the decor here. Check out my main channel, Out and About with yours truly, Liz of C, for the unedited live replay, 2 live streams in Hamilton, a total of 7 hours. An awesome day exploring Hamilton, Ontario. I don't know if they make it or they have a baker. Oh, it dropped. Take 2.